Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap stock which Shyam, Sekhar and Anil Kumar Goel have entered during the June quarter. Now in this company, their shareholding has risen from 0% in the March 2018 quarter to 1.74% for Shyam Sekhar and 1.52% for Anil Kumar Goel in the June 2018 quarter. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Ador Fontech Limited, which is available at Rs 107.00 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is ADORFO. Now Ador Fontech Limited is an India-based company which focuses on consumables, equipment automation and ancillaries and also related services. The company's segments include products and services. The company's geographical segments include India and the rest of the world. Now if you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that this company has really not done much throughout the year, barring a small period about the middle of the year where there was a huge spike, but after which it significantly corrected again. The market cap of the company is 187.25 crores, which means that the stock is a borderline stock between a small cap and a micro cap. The EPS of 5.13 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 20.86, which is largely in line with its industry PE of 19.47. The book value for the stock is 59.20, which translates into a price to book ratio of 1.81, which also is not wildly expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0431, whereas the return on equity for the stock is 0.0728. One good factor for the stock is the dividend yield, which is decent at 2.80, whereas the promoter holding is below average at 36.64. Now Manabar Holdings has a significant stake in this company, and even Meg Manzenta, who is also a distinguished investor in India, likes this stock. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.